Alright, so just a quick tutorial on COUNTIF or COUNTIFs. Normally, we would usually say COUNTIF, then yung sa data natin, select our status. After that, say comma. So, click natin yung status, or pwede mo din i-manual type. Like, done. Usually, click this. Pagkatapos nyan, copy na lang natin yung formula. Pababa. What usually happens is when we copy the formula pababa at hindi nakalock yung cell reference natin, pag move yung reference natin, so magiging mali na yung COUNTIFs mo. So in this case, we would want to lock yung cell natin. So delete muna natin yung lock natin yung cell or yung range natin, reference. Pero ito, hindi na natin to ilalock kasi gusto natin pag nag-copy tayo pababa, ito natin isi-select niya pa rin nasa baba niya. Ayaw natin magstay lang sa done yung nakaselect. Okay, so ayan, okay na yan. Then copy natin pababa. Should work accordingly. So and for spilled array result, ang advantage niya is hindi na natin kailangan i-lock yung cell reference dito, tsaka hindi na natin kailangan i-copy pababa yung formula. So we can say COUNTIF, tapos yung status. So this time, hindi na natin kailangan i-lock. Then yung criteria is going to be all of the criteria. So range din yung ipapass natin sa criteria na parameter. So, ano lang natin, highlight lang natin or i-select lang natin. So instead of selecting one cell, yung cell range yung i-select natin. Then close, and it should auto-populate the formula for the other cells below it. So since tatlo lang yung status, tatlo lang din yung rows na inoccupy niya. So kapag naglagay ka dito ng something, mag-error yan, sasabihin niyang spill error. Kasi gusto niyang i-access to na part pero hindi niya ma-access kasi may text na nakalagay. So delete mo lang yan. So technically yung formula natin is nasa isang cell lang. Voctec, peace!